Hello everybody. I just wanted to make this quick video to tell everybody out there who is struggling to lose weight there is hope. I myself was a little bit overweight 6 months ago. Um, Although I wasn't fat, I would say, I was never really happy with my body and I wasn't comfortable taking off my clothes at the beach or whatever it might be. And I know so many women out there are struggling with the same thing. And I had tried a few things, like the things that they tell you about on TV, um, those little berry capsules. I tried the green tea capsules. I tried exercising my butt off every single day. And yes, it works at first, but unfortunately, I would yo-yo back to gain even more than I started with. It was an absolutely struggle to even stay positive during those times. And Venus Factor has really changed my life. The Venus Factor actually looks at the female body and it's not comparing your body to the man body because we're made differently and we have different hormones. That's why I really like this program because it focuses on the woman problems, the fact that our metabolisms are lower, and the fact that it is harder for us to actually lose weight, and that we need different exercises, different types of foods. And the Venus Factor actually still allows you to eat that pizza and to eat that food that you really, really crave and really need, especially when you're emotional and upset. I absolutely love the Venus Factor, and I highly, highly suggest every girl, every woman checks it out because I feel happier, healthier, and I am finally comfortable with my body. Thanks so much for listening, and if you want to check it out, click the link below.